Hello, friends. Good morning. Let's start to build. We'll we'll just quickly start from where we left last morning. I hope you guys are doing good. And I have stopped to do these live streams on Instagram because it's just too much. I was not able to provide any value to my audience on Instagram because of small screen size, and these videos are not meant to be on vertical devices. So we'll just do it on YouTube and wherever it is supported. Let's get started and let's see where we go this morning. Okay, let's log in, see where we are at. Okay, yeah, we like these colors. Train avatar, train your first avatar. I'll quickly ask keep this sidebar on all screens. No need to do the chat mode. Okay. I'm going live on Twitch as well, but I'm not sure how do I'm going just live on Twitch, save it. Like, how do I keep the videos inside Twitch? It just goes away after I'm done with the live stream. Not sure. Okay. Now what I need to do is okay. Let's see chain avatar. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, it can be improved, but that's fine. Okay. Now let's implement backend for avatar training. Let's see what. Okay, implement backend for avatar training and okay, we can. Let's try this. Add image upload preview thumbnails in the train avatar dialog with the ability to remove individual images before training. I want the user to have a capability to upload from 10 to 50 images. Minimum is 10 and maximum is 50. There you go. Okay. Okay. Trainers update dialog description change from change to 10 to 50 hyperload. Change from JPG. Minimum 10 images required. Okay, good. Let's try to get something. Problem, anyways, we are going to change this up end to end. Okay. Yeah, so we should be able to see. Okay, we are good. That's fine. So implement backend for the avatar training. User can upload images, and let's see. Lovable replicate docs. And then now, okay, I have to get my another profile where I have this replicate in place. Okay. First Flux trainer that we decided we'll use. Okay. Aim for a data set of 10 to 20 images of your subject. Okay, I think I should change to 10 to 20. Okay, 1024 resolution. Don't want much bigger photos. Want to have more documentation for this. Forest Flux journal documentation. Treatment docs. Let's see the same page. It is same page. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. We'll figure it out. I'm just looking for if do they have any example fonts with train. I'm seeing that Python. Input images of a zip file containing the images that will be used for training. We recommend a minimum of 10 images. If you include captions, include them as one txt file. Image should have a caption filed. If you don't include captions, we will generate them for you. Trigger word can be defined by the user. Aurora type subject and enumeration training step seed be set to default inputs. Okay, that's fine. We'll keep on iterating if and when we'll feel like. Implement backend for the avatar training. User can upload images and upload images. I bet we'll get the issue of kind of index DB where the images are not being stored properly. I bet we'll get that issue, but that's fine. Implement backend for the avatar training. User can upload images and those images are compressed into a zip file and then um, train the model using replicate fast flux trainer. I need to give the API endpoint as well. Correct. An avatar item is stored in the database. A function calls the replicate API and starts the training using, again, I'll just write down everything for AI, fast flux trainer, and then I'll say we need to, because what we have seen is this flash flux trainer, fast flux trainer was not giving quick replies, so we have to wait. So it's not unsafe. It's not, it's synchronous. So we periodically pull the results and keep the database item updated. Once finished, we show that the avatar has now been created. The replicate API does not wait for the result to finish before responding. That's why the last step listed above, hashtag P listed above, is extremely crucial. Okay. Uh, Implement backend for the avatar training. User can upload images and those images are compressed into a zip file and then train the model using this. Okay. An avatar item is stored in the database. A function calls the replicate API. Let's quickly see. Uh, it's called yet, right? This model is not yet first we will boot the model and make it and after that. Yeah, that's fine. Let's warm it up. Mm, yeah, yeah, let's train it up. Create new model. Let's find out another image that we downloaded the dataset of. Let's try to use some other person now. Okay, this this lady is already looking like AI generated to me, but that's fine. There it is. I'll just quickly show you. Shouldn't be, but in any case, that's fine. You just need to convert it to zip. 69 MB. That's fine. Let's see. What should we name her? Mandy? It will take a lot of time. I bet. How many images are these? 13. Okay, that's fine. What are training steps in fast flux trainer? Okay, that's fine. Let's not touch it. Seed. This is used to ensure that the same LoRa weights are used for the same input. If you want to train the same input image multiple times, you should use the same seed each time. Okay. Let's name it Andy only. I want it to be private. Create training. This is the first time we are running this, so it will take more time than expected. But if once it is run, then it keeps on in running faster. It just need to boot up the servers. That's fine. I'm just thinking that do we need to give more information over here? An avatar item is stored in the database. A function calls the replicate and then train the model using replicate. Do we want to save the zip file? Images are compressed into a zip file and store it inside database storage. They use the word storage. Okay. Some say it S3, some say it um, like droplets. No, not the droplets, but DigitalOcean says it spaces. So yeah. And then train the model using replicate fast flux trainer. Okay, let's see. We have the JSON here. Input images. Training steps 1000 trigger word 90. Okay, let's give the trigger word. With the trigger word as uh, I'll just say that I want the user to use whatever trigger word they want, and we just need to have the hash in the backend. But I think let's not talk about it right now. And then what? Okay, let's do it then. Let us do it. Okay. Integrate replicates fast flux trainer model to train custom AI. The system will handle image upload, zip file creation, replicate API training initiation, and status polling until completion. Create a migration. Okay. Avatars, ID, user ID, name, status, uploading, training, train, fail, thumbnail URL, training zip URL, replicate training ID, replicate model version, trigger word, that's good, error message. Okay. Then we need to have RLS policies in place. Users can view their own avatars. Users can insert own avatars. Users can update own avatars. Users can delete their own avatars. That's fine. Create index for faster queries. Avatars on avatars user ID, status, and replicate training ID. Okay, that's good. That's fine. We might not even need this. Add updated at trigger handle. Okay. Create a storage bucket for avatar training images. Avatar training images. I think why should okay, we can get rid of this later. I don't think we should be saving these images. We don't need to do that. Okay, you can upload their own training. Secret name, replicate API key. User will need to provide their replicate API token. I will add the replicate API token to Supabase. Uh, Let's do it. I'll get the replicate API token from here. Okay. Let's go to edge functions, secrets, and replicate API key. Okay. There you go. Replicate API key is in place. Supabase, secrets. Okay. Edge function train avatar handles image upload, zip creation, database record creation, replicate training initiation. Receive multi-part form data with images and metadata. Validate user authentication, validate image counts 10 to 50 images, create avatar record and database status uploading, upload individual images to Supabase storage, create a zip file in memory, upload zip file to Supabase storage, update avatar status to training, call replicate API to start training, store replicate training ID in database, return avatar ID and status to client. Use JS zip library. It's available in Deno. That's good to create zip files, generate trigger word from avatar name, sanitize lowercase underscore, handle errors at each step, use Supabase storage signed URLs. Replicate API call. Okay. Post computer to. Okay, where is that? Replicate. Okay. The model is trained, by the way. And import images, scope, Docker. Okay. API.replicate slash v1 slash trainings. Replicate documentation. Let's see. Let's go to the HTTP API. Create a training. I think it is using the old way to train. Uh, okay. I think this should be it. I mean, slash model owner, slash model name. Okay, let it do what it is doing, then we'll see. Replicate API call for polling. Edge function training webhook optional but recommended. See webhook notification from replicate when training completes. Check webhook signature, check training ID. Okay, this is fine. Front end is fine with real database queries. Okay, place delete rename function with real database. Okay, over ambitious. Update types. Okay, okay. Implement the plan. I have added applicable API to the supervised secrets. Okay, that's fine. Let's see. Taxes, RLS policies, storage buckets. Okay, that's fine. We can work on maybe deleting files from storage once in a while. That helps. When this model is trained, run the train model. Let's try to run this model or Medi create an image of Medi. Mm, working out in the gym. Yeah, that's it. Uh, Let's just run it. Oops. So the best thing about this model is uh, it is a fast booting model. So that means you are charged for only the time uh, you're using it for. It boots up fast. Plus, there is this pricing factor as well, of course. So I'll see. Fast booting models are cheap in replicate. Let's see. It says for fast booting fine tunes, you will only be billed for the time the model is active and processing your request. So you won't pay for idle time uh, like with other private models. Fast booting fine tunes are labeled as such in the model's version list. It's just that it is really popular, and that is why we are getting that leverage. Okay, created a good image. Let's see. Yeah, it created a good image. Say, I'm interested in this nose pin. If like it's not, she's not facing on this side, but all of her images do have a nose pin. So mm, running in the woods. I'll just save it or actually add two examples. Okay. When it's saying that the backend implementation is done, let's go through the code. Okay. Let's see the nose pin. Not visible yet. Yeah, we need a close-up look. Presenting in an office with blurred background of presentation, a little bit of close-up look. Yeah, let's do it. Running pretty fast. Okay. Again, this is the uh, left profile. I want to see her right profile. Uh, let's see. Okay. Avatars, delete avatar. So this is our libraries. Rename avatar. Mock avatars we don't want. Where a nose pin is missing. Yeah, that's fine. It is looking good. Yeah, looks good. Hmm, okay, so 880 new lines. Okay, that's fine. This is good. Check training status. I'll go through this after. I just want to understand train avatar, replicate, supervise URL, supervise service URL, a parse multi-part from form data. Thumbnail placeholder. Okay. Isn't too much of their mind. Okay, let's see. Oh, what's that? Okay, let's see. Avatar, this is that function. Now let's see what's the logic for calling. Okay. Authorization, replicated key. If user error, get avatar record. Okay, it's fine. Let's go see what's in the database. Profiles, avatars. Okay. Trainings. Okay, now let's just train it. Let's just try to train it. Let's do it. And let's understand the flow.